Today, we're visiting the vast strawberry farms in Canada to explore the amazing technology behind those irresistibly ripe strawberries. We'll take you to the most modern strawberry farms in the world, where technology and innovation create agricultural miracles. Have you ever seen such a modern hydroponic strawberry growing system? At the Cravo Demo facility in Irapuato, Mexico, growers achieve yields of up to 660,000 pounds of high-quality strawberries per hectare each year, thanks to advanced technology and a perfectly controlled environment. Join me today to explore and experience the wonders of modern agriculture. Next up is the plastic mulch machine invented by Farmer Dre, which is truly a unique and impressive innovation. When I visited his farm, I was amazed by the machine's smart design and outstanding efficiency. Dre's mulch machine operates fully automatically, quickly and precisely, making the work easier and more productive than ever before.
Drip.
The modern John Deere 5080GV planting machine is a powerful ally in today's advanced agriculture. In just 5 days of work, this machine can help farmers plant up to 40,000 strawberry plants quickly and efficiently. After about 2 months, you can handpick the first ripe strawberries. Currently, the Agrobot strawberry harvester is also being used this season. Which harvesting method do you think is more effective? Besides strawberries, mangoes are also a highly nutritious fruit loved by many. To kick off a bountiful mango season, the first crucial step is thorough soil preparation and selecting mango varieties suited to the harsh climate conditions of each region. After that, the seedlings are propagated and grafted in modern greenhouses for about 4 to 8 months before being ready to plant out in the fields. At the farms, mango trees are carefully tended with strong support from modern machinery, helping to reduce labor and increase efficiency. Farmers use sturdy wire systems to keep the trees stable against strong winds and harsh weather conditions. The care process lasts about 3 to 4 years, from planting until the trees mature and start bearing fruit. These plump mangoes are ripe and ready for harvest. Depending on the height of the tree, farmers choose the appropriate harvesting method, either hand-picking or using specialized tools. After being cut from the branches, the mangoes are placed into trays or baskets to be transported to sales points or processing factories. The harvesting process needs to be quick and careful to prevent bruising or damage to the fruit. Currently, the total mango export volume from major producing countries has exceeded 2.8 million tons, accounting for about 74% of the global mango export market. And here's how engineers apply modern technology to the mango harvesting process. Smart robots programmed with artificial intelligence, AI, use laser sensors to detect ripe mangoes with up to 98% accuracy. Thanks to this technology, harvesting productivity increases by up to 30%, while minimizing losses caused by picking mistakes or fruit bruising. After harvest, tens of thousands of pounds of mangoes are transported directly to processing factories, with each harvest batch reaching 50,000 to 70,000 pounds of fresh fruit. There, the mangoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities, then accurately sorted by size and quality. Mangoes that meet the standards are carefully packed, ready for distribution to domestic supermarkets. Additionally, a large portion of the mango crop is processed into juice and canned products, which are then exported to many countries around the world. Thanks to this, the fresh, delicious flavor of mangoes spreads far and wide, bringing this tropical fruit straight to consumers worldwide. Have you ever seen an automatic mango peeler in action? The E-Line 20 mango peeler is equipped with a powerful motor of up to 7 horsepower, allowing it to operate continuously at a fast and steady speed. This machine can process up to 3,000 mangoes per hour, many times faster than traditional manual methods. Not only does it speed up production, but it also ensures the peel is removed delicately, preserving the shape and quality of the mango. If you'd like to own one of these machines, leave a comment with the number 1. Next comes the crucial step in creating a delicious and nutritious drink. Mangoes are either freshly pressed or ground into powder, preserving their natural flavor and purest quality. Each day, the factory produces up to 15,000 bottles of mango juice, with bottling and labeling done entirely automatically. The products are then widely distributed, bringing a nutritious and fresh beverage to consumers. Enjoy a bite of fresh, sweet mango and savor the exquisite flavor nature has given us, carefully preserved through every refined and premium step of production. Although the market offers many high-quality mango products, about 10 to 15% of producers still use harmful chemicals or unsafe preservation methods that don't meet food safety standards. This situation not only poses direct health risks to consumers, but also undermines trust in the agricultural industry. What do you think about the mango growing and harvesting process shown in this video? Please share your thoughts in the comments below.
जो इसका आपने देखा कि पहले जो कटिंग हुआ था वो वाला इन्होंने डाला और अभी और जो भी आम का कचरा होता है जैसे कि गुठली और अभी कंटिन्यू
Not only coconut, sugarcane is also an ingredient that brings a delicious, refreshing drink. In the United States, sugarcane production ranges from about 66 to 77 billion pounds each year, of which Florida alone accounts for about 33 billion pounds. At factories, sugarcane is pressed to extract juice, cleaned and bottled to serve the growing consumer demand. Now is a modern step to plant sugarcane by machine. The sugarcane segments are carefully germinated, then put into the automatic planter. The machine cuts and places the sprouts into the soil bed accurately and quickly, helping to save time and improve farming efficiency. And now comes the most anticipated time for farmers, sugarcane harvesting. The Case IH Ostoft sugarcane harvester, with its powerful 358 horsepower engine, is capable of harvesting more than 220,000 pounds of sugarcane per day. When combined with a specialized transport vehicle, the system operates smoothly, helping to optimize productivity, save manpower, and promote sustainable agricultural production. If you are impressed with modern sugarcane harvesting technology, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. To get quality coconuts, the first indispensable step is planting the tree. This requires you to be very selective, using only the best dry coconuts from healthy, high-yielding mother trees for breeding. This is an important foundation step, and believe me, the effort is completely worth the results later. Leave comment number 1 and join me in continuing to explore this exciting journey. And now is the time to reap the rewards. When the coconut is fully ripe, the flesh inside becomes sweet and fatty. That is the ideal time to harvest. However, before picking, each coconut must be carefully inspected to ensure that it is not damaged, in order to preserve the quality and value of the agricultural product. In Thailand, an average of 10,000 fresh coconuts are harvested every day from specialized gardens covering an area of about 216,000 hectares, equivalent to a national output of more than 845 million fruits per year. Especially during the harvest season from April to July, the highest productivity helps stabilize domestic supply and export. After harvesting, the coconuts are transported to the factory to begin the processing process. Here, the coordination between skilled workers and modern machinery helps to process thousands of coconuts quickly and efficiently. Each stage is carefully controlled to ensure quality and optimize output. Next, depending on the intended use, the coconuts are classified and transferred to specialized workshops. Although the process of peeling the dry coconut shell requires skill, it is still done quickly thanks to the experience of the workers. The hard shells are neatly removed, ready for the next processing steps in the production chain. Now, let's explore with me the coconut water production process inside the factory, from selecting coconuts to complete packaging. Every day, tens of thousands of products are shipped from I Love Cocoa, a leading prestigious brand with a modern processing process, ensuring that organic coconuts always retain their fresh, pure flavor and meet international standards. Don't forget to leave comment number 1 and continue to accompany this exciting journey of discovery. Moving on to a more interesting step, we come to the coconut jelly factory in Thailand. Coconut water is poured into a basin to cook into jelly, while the hard core is trimmed into the shape of a cup. The special thing is that the coconut jelly will be poured back into the shell, creating an attractive and creative dish.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
I was surprised to learn that coconuts are not only used for their meat and water, but also for their shells. The dry coconut husks are beaten into cotton and then put into a weaving machine to create strong ropes. Indeed, no part of the coconut is wasted. Every part has a useful value. In the previous video, you saw more amazing uses for coconuts, but the journey doesn't stop there. The second hard shell, also known as the coconut shell, is crushed into various sizes, then pressed and carefully packaged. Can you guess what it's used for? This material is lightweight, breathable, holds water well, and releases moisture slowly, allowing plants to absorb it more efficiently. It's perfect for growing in modern hydroponic and aeroponic systems. Jackfruit is primarily grown in tropical climates, with large cultivation areas concentrated in Southeast Asian countries. In Vietnam, jackfruit planting covers about 50,000 hectares, predominantly in southern provinces like Tiên Giang, Bến Tre, and Dong Thap. These areas provide the ideal climate and soil conditions for jackfruit to thrive. In Thailand, jackfruit is also grown in regions such as Chanthaburi, Prachinburi, and Nakhon Pathom. Thai jackfruit trees are typically spaced 8 to 12 meters apart, depending on the variety and growing conditions, to optimize space and sunlight. Jackfruit can be grown from seeds or by grafting. In Thailand, grafting is the preferred method, accounting for about 80% of newly planted trees. Jackfruit trees thrive in sandy, loamy, or sandy loam soils, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. During cultivation, jackfruit trees require regular watering, especially in the early planting stage and during dry seasons. In addition, pruning is essential to help jackfruit trees support the weight of large fruits. Ensuring adequate airflow and reducing the risk of disease. Harvesting jackfruit requires precision and experience. Jackfruit typically ripens after about 3 to 6 years of growth, depending on the cultivation method. Farmers determine ripeness by examining the color of the skin, the sound when tapped, and its distinctive aroma. Ripe jackfruits are carefully cut to avoid damaging both the tree and the fruit. In Vietnam and Thailand, jackfruit harvesting occurs year-round due to favorable climates, with peak seasons typically in the summer months. After harvest, jackfruit is transported to processing facilities. Where it undergoes washing, peeling, and cutting before being dried or processed into other products. Dried jackfruit is typically dehydrated at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 hours to reduce moisture while preserving its natural sweetness. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next videos.
In a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing